A little bit of back to school shopping. Ooh, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. This ain't even half of the stuff we need. I don't know if I'm the only one feeling like this, but why does, well, I'm not the only one feeling like this. Everything costs so much. I just literally bought paper, school supplies, paper, pencils, and a couple other things, but my basket is dang near still empty, and it's over $300. Like, absolutely not, bro. I'm so irritated. So we have my daughter's clothes, and there's too many clothes to wash at home. Backpacks, because we're not buying new ones. Yeah, no. So these are the book bags that the kiddos have chosen. And listen, once they get washed, they're gonna look brand spanking new. They're gonna wear these. They got plenty more, but they're gonna wear all the book bags that they do have until the thread falls out, okay? We're not gonna keep buying book bags every year, okay? I'm not gonna do it. Absolutely not. So this is gonna be a quick little video of what I did today. I actually started late, and that's why you guys are gonna get this video really late, because I started my day late. I had important things to handle earlier today, so work, and then after work I went straight to Walmart to get some school supplies, and Dollar Tree to get some things that we needed, and then the laundromat. That was my day. I feel accomplished. I feel like I was productive. I feel like we as a unit, we were productive today. So we got some things that needed to be done out of the way, especially at school shopping. I want us to get out of the way. If you guys are, parents, and you're going school shopping, or aunties, uncles, whatever, and you're going to go school shopping for your family, listen, see what they have already. Utilize things that they didn't use last year. So I'm going to give kudos to my son, like definitely give him props, because he kind of made me think twice. I was going to go shopping and getting all this stuff, but he was like, Mom, I don't need much. I got a book bag. Because I was like, what do you need? Like, and he was like, I got a book bag. He was like, and I don't need anything. Just give me some folders, some, the spiral notebooks, and then pens. And I was like, oh, okay. He's a big senior this year, so he don't need much. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to do that for the girls too, because I'm not about to be spending all this money on school supplies. There's no reason, when you guys have things in the basement that you can utilize. Literally, guys, in my basement, there's tons of book bags, tons of paper, pens. So look, all I did was I went to Walmart and got the things that we didn't have, which was like paper, some extra pencils, stuff like that. Other than that, they had everything they needed, and we're using book bags that they already had. Do not put a hole in your pocket for school supplies. Half of this stuff they don't use. And that was my thinking. I said, you know what? They told me, I'm looking for their school supplies. Like, where are your binders? Because binders are reusable. And they're like $15. Sometimes they're like $20 a piece. And so I'm like, where are your binders? Oh, we tossed it at the end of the year. And this, previous years before this, they always throw their stuff away at the end of the year. And I'm just like, why are you guys doing that? I don't want to spend money on the same thing over and over again. So yeah, this year we went basement shopping. We got all the book bags that they, whatever book bags they wanted to wear, took them to the laundry, and that's what we're doing now. We're washing them. My daughter, she's washing all her clothes at the laundromat too, and then I'm gonna wash the rest of everybody else's clothes here. Yeah, that's all we did today. Like I said, we feel really accomplished. We feel accomplished as a unit. We did good today. We were very productive. And let me know in the comments, drop in the comments, what did you do today? Were you productive today? Or did you get your school shopping done? Were you at peace? Were you relaxed today? Did you cut somebody toxic out of your life? Get rid of them. It's time for them to go. Anyway, I won't hold you guys any longer. I will see you guys tomorrow.